Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nabri Love. Thanks for tuning in again, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. Today I'm doing a little DIY. This video I'm just start by saying it was all over the place. Like at first I initially wanted to do a DIY customization on my sweatpants, but as you can see, I'm going to insert some clips right here. It didn't turn out how I expected, so I'm just going to scratch that and do a DIY safety pin pant look, because I just bought these new ones that I've been waiting on, and I wanted them for a while. So I'm styling these. These are the high top OG satin red ones. So yeah, please stay tuned and see how the whole outfit combination comes out. But yeah, it's just going to be a quick little fast video. And like I said, just like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, only materials you need for this project is safety pins, scissors, and a rigid knife. So what I'm basically starting off doing is cutting lines straight across in my jeans, and then I'm going to go ahead and distress them with the knife and keep doing it until it's to my liking. This is the outcome after I distressed the first part of my jeans. What you also can do to define it a little more is get a pair of tweezers and start pulling the thread from the jeans. Okay, I'm also going to start safety pinning the distress part of my pins just by, connecting the safety pins through my jeans and clipping it on the other side. You also want to be careful and make sure that you're not taking both the back side and the front side of the pants and clipping it so you were able to put your leg through at the end, because I had to go back and fix some of them. was basically my inspiration for this video and the pant look. So I'm just gonna try my best to duplicate how they did the safety pins, but you can honestly do them any kind of way. Just have fun with it. So far this is what I have. Real cute. I just have to go down the whole pant leg, so I have like this much to go. It's kind of a lot, but I just want to stop and check in with you guys. So yeah, now I'm gonna continue. So this is the final product of the Distress safety pin pants, and I did a great job. I mean, it's pretty simple, and I'm gonna have like a cute little transition of me changing, so that should happen in like 5 seconds.